Now, a lot of people think about the automotive industry and think that it means if you don't want to be a mechanic or if you're not a guy, then it's not for you. What would you say to that?
That's bullshit.
Yeah.
In a word. Look, this is one of the most diverse, diversity is talked about a lot, but there's diversity everywhere in this industry. Think about all the different segments of the industry across the whole value chain. So from the manufacturer of a product all the way through to the end consumer, whether it's someone like me that gets their car serviced by a mechanic or a DIY enthusiast. There's so many different streams of activity, very, very diverse supply chain or value chain. And then there's people from all walks of life that work in and around businesses in the industry. I think we can do better when it comes to the female mix in our industry. Half our population are women, but our industry's probably got a sub 20% female workforce, and I think there's loads of opportunities for more women to play a role in our industry. But I think there's opportunity abound everywhere throughout this industry.
Absolutely.